Action verbs. Get up. Get up. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Have breakfast. Have breakfast. Go to school. Go to school. Take a nap. Take a nap. Play with friend. Play with friend. Go to bed. Go to bed. Take a bath. Take a bath. Do your homework. Do your homework. Read a book. Read a book. Sit down. Sit down. Drink some water. Drink some water. Dance with me. Dance with me. Cook food. Cook food. Sing a song. Sing a song. Eat your food. Eat your food. Clap your hands. Clap your hands. Blow the balloon. Blow the balloon. Knock at the door. Knock at the door. Crawl. Crawl. Share your toys. Share your toys. Give me a pencil. Give me a pencil. Shut the window. Shut the window. Listen to me. Listen to me. Come here. Come here. Put your book in your bag. Put your book in your bag. Bring me a plate. Bring me a plate. Play with the ball. Play with the ball. Run fast. Run fast. Close the door. Close the door. Go there. Go there. Walk slow. Walk slow. a bicycle. Ride a bicycle. Get in the car. Get in the car. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Pour some juice. Pour some juice. Dive in the water. Dive in the water. Drag the table. Drag the table. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Press the button. Press the button. Charge your phone. Charge your phone. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Wash your hands. Wash your hands. Clean the table. Clean the table. Throw the ball. Throw the ball. Peel the potato. Peel the potato. Wipe your nose. Wipe your nose. Plant a tree. Plant a tree. Hold the book. Hold the book. Put on your jacket. Put on your jacket. Hope you enjoyed the video.